Alright, so we got a Samsung T380 and the port, there's bent pins in there. I don't know if you could really see them with this damn light on. Let me try turning it off. I just can't see anything with the light on, but I think you could see. I think you actually can see the bent pin down in there. And there's one on this side too. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So we need to get this. We need to get the screen off. And you have to like take, I guess, the metal thing and go in here and look at the chandelier. You have to go in here and pry. I hope it's like the screen is coming up. Oops, I pushed the button and turned it on. I done did it wrong. I guess this is pulling up the screen. Oh well. I hope I'm doing this right. Connect to charger. 0%, 0%. I did heat this thing up a little. I had it sitting behind my desktop, blowing hot air on it. I don't know. Whoopsies. The screen hasn't cracked yet. I'm really surprised it hasn't. I've never taken one of these before apart before, so I'm just guessing this is how you do it. And I'm running out of things. Don't want to crack the LCD. I don't want to touch the LCD, truthfully. I guess that's the proper way to say it. Oh, what am I doing? I'm supposed to come in this way with it. Freaking stuff. This thing, it seems like it's plastic, this cover. Because it's just bending. I see it bending under the clip. Well, normally, that would result in a crack. And it seems like it's plastic. It definitely feels like glass, though. Damn it. Damn it. Why does it keep jumping out? Damn it. I turned it on again. Carpal tunnel starting to kick in, bro. $9.50? Oh, we're at $8.50. I probably shouldn't be heating up the clips too. Yeah, that's probably not too smart. Now they're gonna get all mushy. camera is set up right there. How is this starting to lift? LMG. Ooh. We got some lift action going on, but I don't know what's going on with that camera there. Ooh, the screen started lifting. Look at that. All from the heat. Oh, great. I cut that. Okay, touchscreen's no good anymore. That's wonderful. Okay. Oh, that's where the touchscreen is. I severed that. That's awesome. So we now have no more touchscreen. Okay, going good. Truthfully, I did look at YouTube. Some other people opened this, and nobody mentioned that. That's awesome. Yep, nobody at all. Nobody mentioned that. No, sir, they did not. I do know I was supposed to take this out. Okay, so just some more heat on this side and just lifting it up, and it eventually it came up. There was nothing more to destroy on that side. I don't know how it does the sensitive touch. But obviously, yeah, nobody mentioned that this cable was there. That's so nice. So that cable got sliced. So that got sliced. Now, there's the camera. I think we have to pry up on the LCD to get the LCD to come up. I'm assuming the LCD cable is over here. Just assuming. Yeah. I hear glue. I hear glue giving in. here, glue. Oh yeah, there it is. I want to apply some more heat. Always the heat. That lets the stickers. Yeah, so you want to pry the button side up. Even so, what was I supposed to do? Just leave that? Leave the screen dangled over until I pull out the LCD? Man, I could have swore I watched like 2 videos and nobody mentioned that cable was there. That's why I hate people's videos. If the video is only like 5 minutes, don't even watch it. Because they're going to skip all these fucking steps that are useful. All these friggin' steps that you need to know. That's why I hate other people's videos. Mine are going to be long. Because I'm actually going to break the stuff and show you what you're trying to avoid. This is a real pain in the ass. I mean, it isn't even worth it. What is this thing, like $30? $40? It's not even worth fixing, right? I'm just doing it because... Don't scratch the LCD screen. There it goes. There she goes. It just popped on this side, so I'm assuming there's going to be a cable over there. Come on, glue. You can see it down in that crack. I don't know if you were able to see that. There's that glue that is holding this down. I just got that one up. Freaking gonna snap this screen. Come on, glue, give it up. Okay, where is the cable? Let's see if we severed the cable. Oh, it's in the middle, right? Oh, god damn it. Oh my god, the other side freaking glued down, or is that where? Okay. What's holding on this side? See this damn sticker shit? Okay. How do you get that undone? Oh. There's a clip in there. Wow, I don't think the ones I saw getting opened were this one. Really, dude? Really? So I have to go undo that? Wow. Wow. You actually can't undo it in there. I hope I didn't rip it. Wow, this is very annoying. And I just put my finger on the LCD screen, so now I have to go through and pull that tape off. Oh my god, what the hell? Definitely don't do it this way. I'm just doing this because of the camera. Wow. Are you kidding? Now it's even double glued right there. Oh, holy shit. If yours is broke, just throw the damn thing out. I'll tell you what. Wow. Wow. This is worse than Apple. Swear to fucking God. What the fuck? That fucking green tape isn't enough. They have now extra heavy duty tape right there. Oh my God. Are you kidding? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I don't even see how to get this apart. Does the plastic pry out? Am I just being stupid? How do you get under this thing? Oh my God. Where's my metal stick? Is this just supposed to pry out? That's what I saw someone do. Is that what you do? You don't take this damn screen off? Wow. This is not worth fixing at all. Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to take that screen off. Whatevers. Yeah, these are all clipped in. All right. I don't think you're supposed to take that LCD off. Just go in, pry, like this, clip, and you'll hear snip, 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 snip. God damn it. Just go in here, and pry up. Oh, way around. Don't do it where the buttons are. We done? We out? We out? Come on, man. Yeah, don't pull up on the LCD. I'm just cutting out all that video, or I'm just gonna edit out. Holy shit. And there's our broken thing. Alright, so here's the touchscreen that I broke. I wonder how much the touchscreen cost. Probably more than the friggin' goddamn thing itself. Now I need to work on this. You wanna, I got some fingerprint on there. Oh no, I just made it worse. I think you clean this with vinegar. And not your shirt. Where's the on button? This one? Oh, okay. Thank God I didn't break the LCD, but the touchscreen is shot. All right. I was thinking of just wiring up an external connector. Alright, so that's shut off. Okay, so anyway, I'm wondering how this board comes off. Is it just screwed on? This, obviously, well, I'm going to do this so you crackers can see it. This is a clip up. I just did it with my nail, but I decided to do it different so you crackers can see. Let's see if this is actually screwed down with these. See if this actually holds the board down. These screws seem like they're really long. Damn. Wow. Yeah, and they're screwed into plastic. This thing is super cheap. This thing just pop up or what? Oh, it's in the screw here. Derp. Well, it looks like these things are maybe like $13 on eBay now. They used to be super expensive. Come on, what else do you got going on? Alright, that's it. I mean, you could desolder this, but I don't have the abilities to do that. It's just freaking glued on. Are you kidding me? So stupid. Double-sided tape. Oh, Jesus. How's it even glued on? How is that soldered on there? What the hell? Are you kidding? How is that on there? Is that thing just like inserted into the board? What the frig? What the hell is this? A little toggle switch? What the hell are those? What the hell do those even do? Are they just... I guess they're just causing springiness. They're not an electrical thing. What the frig? That's just crazy. Why would you do something like that? Anyway, how the hell is this thing connected? What the fuck? Is it really doing the lines to here? I mean, those are the lines right there. Aren't those the lines all the way in there? All those? And these are just the support solder? How the hell do you solder in there? I'm zoomed in, right? What the frig, dude? This damn light. Try to block the light and it flashes back and blinds the camera. All right, there we go. Are those all the solder, those little things in there? How the hell would you even solder that? What the frig? Those little tiny things there. You can't solder that. Do they insert? Do you desolder these and then those insert into the board? What the frig? Yeah, just looking at this, you ain't repairing that. That's fucking crazy. What is this? These two things. Are those flexible too? Those are too, and those are connecting, those are touching this thing here. This thing is friggin' crazy. That sucks. Well, it sucks. I have to get a new friggin' screen, damn it. Oh, these stupid people. Holy shit. Where's the flippy dippy? Oh, I have to wait for parts. This longer one. Wait, why would the longer one go over here? Because it's not longer. And that's the hold down and make those two press over there. Well, I didn't originally fix this because this thing was like $26 or $30. But now it's like $13, but that's $13, so I'm going to end up spending the same freaking amount of money to fix this piece of shit. Wow. Alright. Alright, so we've got a replacement board. We got a screen that someone screwed up. So let's replace this board. Now, these boards used to be like $30-something, so I wasn't going to repair this. I got this one for maybe $14 or something. Under 15, whatever it was. Make sure we got all our little, I got that, these clickers here. And there's got clickers on the bottom. Yeah. This one's got an antenna thing on it where this one doesn't. I don't know what that's for. It's got extra components on it too. Those are all missing components. Components here, this has got those. GTA 2S. Well, it's got extra components on it. I don't know if that's for, I mean, I don't know if this one is, I think this one is Wi-Fi only, I guess. I mean, you know, it still had the SIM tray. got your extra resistors here. So this has to come off. Should have waited before clicking that on because there we go. All right, that clicked all in. Didn't screw that all the way in, so this thing will stay level. That's down. That's down. And that's down. And when you're doing screws like this, don't over tighten. Put it in and then let it stop. The screws are not going to fall out. And if they do fall out, they got no place to go. So don't be stupid. Over tightening is just going to cause severe damage. So that's interesting that it's got extra stuff on there. Antenna. Kind of seeing a channel where an antenna wire would go. But obviously, so okay. So this board, next antenna thing would be right there. And then obviously all these components are not here, so whatever that board is to support, this board doesn't have it. All these things, like that would be an antenna right there. All this stuff is all missing. I think that's for if this thing had cellular, but I don't believe this one had cellular. Now we need to get up this tape. I think this tape is going all the way across this component here. Okay. And we can get this up. Pull this out. I hope this screen fits, bruh. Because obviously I never checked. Also hope that power board works, even though it's obviously not the right one. Let's see. It shouldn't be an issue. Well, this is just a touch screen. They said this was going to come with tape on it. Oh yeah, okay, it does. All right. What the fuck? How is that supposed to work? What the fuck? This isn't the right screen. Okay, so far, testing a new port. It does know that's plugged in. Let's see if it's going. I got a replacement touchscreen here, which it does plug in. Haven't tested that yet. Still sitting at 0%. It's supposed to charge it. Oh, I got a 1%, so it's charging, buddy. Oh yeah. This touchscreen is going to be a little tricky how to get that on there. A little tricky. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this touchscreen. It looks like a real pain in the ass, though. It looks like real tight with this replacement one because of the sticker. The sticker that's going all the way around is holding it really tight. Let's see if we can get this old one off. How much room we got. Yeah, I really don't care that there's dirt on the damn screen. Blarmy. The hardest part is opening this bag. Let's see. We got a little touchy-dutchy here. How will this screw this up even worse? Because there's dust on this screen. Is that screwed up? I don't even know what that is. Great, there's freaking fingerprints. Oh shit, that's right. When I took this apart, I got fingerprints on it. Forgot about that. Whoopsies. And maybe some glue. Truthfully, I don't much care. This is for a 5-year-old. They're not gonna notice. All right, so let's see how bad this is stretching this. This is already connected. Oh, that's not so bad, huh? So how would he get that on? So it's aligned is the problem. Guess we'll go by the button. No clue up front. That light hole. This actually, is there Samsung actually under this? Shit. Whoa. It actually does say Samsung under it. Oh, look at that. I spit on there. That's awesome. So the question is, how do I get that off? Not ripping this. How do I get this sticker screen off and line it up? And the crowd is saying very easily. I think I want to take this off first so I can line up the button. And this is just your top of your screen. I was noticing when I went to go take this off originally, it started taking the glue with it, which was awesome. Always awesome. Sensor. Taking it up from that edge is taking up the glue. That is the best shit ever. Aftermarket joy. So I'm going to have to try to take it off over here first. Try not to rip that damn cable down there. Let this snap back out. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? Oh, I thought it went between the cable. Please don't rip the cable, motherfucker. Oh, that's why I was pulling the glue up with it. Ugh. Did I just rip the cable? Oh, great. Where the fuck did that go? Oh, loving it, baby. Jesus Christ, of all the goddamn places for that to jump. No, nothing like that. Glue onto glue. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I'm definitely going to rip this cable. Oh my God. Oh, the cable is out. Oh, Jesus Christ. And while I'm doing all this, I'm going to get dust on the screen. I'm going to get dust on this screen because I just took this screen off. Oh, where the fuck is it? Is this the piece? Holy shit. And now I need to get this. Oh, fuck it. I don't even know if that's lined up. Kind of looks like it is. Does this fucking thing reach to get in there? And the answer is, I don't know. I really don't know if that got in there. I really don't goddamn know. And the other question is are these fingerprints on the front or are they on the back? Yep. Totally screwed that up. Don't care. Where's the damn on button? Is this one of these the on button? Are you kidding? Yeah, I don't like tablets. I don't like them semi-AM. All right. That obviously is not in, and it isn't. Yeah, so went south fast. Everything was going good until that damn thing jumped. Should have just friggin' left it there. Oh, are you kidding? What the fuck? Oop. It appears to be in. Might have to restart it. Oh, are you kidding? What the frick do you get this to reboot? Oh my god. All right. So I got all touchscreen working now. What was wrong was I didn't have that in all the way. I mean, it's really tight into here, but you have to get that white line all the way up to that line there. You push it in. I mean, I thought those round holes were supposed to stop at the line, so I only had it halfway in. So you get it in, and then it seems like it's in, but then you got to keep pushing, and then it'll start sliding in. And those holes, these round holes, will get up past the line, and that's what you need. This white line equal to that white line. And I was screwing with it on, and it died and would not turn back on, so I had to go. This is not sticky anymore, is it? It died and would not turn back on, so I had to go over to the power connector and pull its little protective stupid plastic thing off. You lift up this black lever. Whoops. You lift up this black lever, and then you pull this out. And then when you push it back in, you got to push it back in. wiggle it back in, and then you could push these, this side and this side's lever. Here, you can push those two tabs. Use that to push it in while you're wiggling it in, and then close the front black tab. All right, so this appears to be working. These things are working now. At least they were. Okay. Seems to be working. Oh, let's see if this works. All right, that wasn't working before. Sorry, that definitely wasn't working before. All right, so I got that working. So yeah, it was all because I didn't have this stupid thing all the way in. Thank God, I thought I broke that again. I thought I was gonna have to go return it and go for another one. Flashlight. That's interesting. Before it was asking brightness of the flashlight. Why isn't it doing that now? Oh, there we go. Now you got me curious. Is that screwed up? Oh, I can't. What's going on? Oh, I see. You have to have that on. Okay, so I'm going a little wonky here. The screen might work better once I put it in. It's not all the way seated. Oh, let's see if I can turn the damn thing off, which I couldn't do before. I can, and then I noticed that this button was crushed up. I think I might have pinched under it. So look, I put that back together. Oh, I wanted to make sure those are still working. Damn it, now I gotta turn the thing back on. Okay, so when you're putting this back together, the speaker side, you want to put that in on an angle and get it in there. It'll wiggle in and get that in there, and then you want to go slowly getting this together, spread together, and it's going to look like it doesn't fit. But the thing is the bottom plastic clicks in. So you have to get this all even, and then very lightly, gingerly go around and squeeze, 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 and you'll get it. I think there's like a click here, a click here, a click here. I think there's 3 per side. You squeeze here, and you're gonna think you're gonna break the glass. Do it on the edge gently. Squeeze it, and you'll feel a click, and it'll go in. And then do it then over to the next one, to the next one, and then just work yourself around until you get them all clicked in. The glass shouldn't break if you're not being a massive stupid monkey. You want to use as much area as you can. Just get over here and just squeeze. And I'm checking that volume works, that one works, power works obviously because that just came on. And now I gotta get this stupid thing in. I don't remember which way this goes. It goes this way. All right, that's working. So the only issue might be that I got some fingerprints or something on the damn glass when the friggin' when that piece of tape friggin', or the stupid screen piece jumped up in the air. There's a corner of it still sitting. Stupid thing. Aftermarket crap. There's, I think it's over here. Yeah, it's over here. That little round corner piece. It was a piece of shit because it was causing, it was pulling the sticker off of the screen, so I had to go somewhere else and do it. Alright. So we're up and working. Let's see what this does. Alright. I don't know how that's supposed to work. Camera. Okay. I think you're supposed to be able to go back. Alright, so I guess that's working. Let's see, camera. Alright. So it's working. X. That's really interesting. Let's see if we can get a picture inside of that. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Talking about my iPhone camera, that sucks. Damn. It's not all that clear, but whatever. Alright. So this is fixed. I really don't notice any of the fingerprints or any of the stuff that was going on. Oh. And, well, the whole point of taking it apart was because the power connector was broke. So we're at 48%. And it knows we're charging. What is this at? 2. Alright. Oh, 1 to 2. Test the volume. And the volume's not working. That is awesome. Oh, well.
Downstairs. How's it look?
Nice price tag.
So this is the skeleton ghost. It's like a normal ghost, like happy ghost.
Oh, I didn't see how they did that. You're looking in the mirror, so I can't see what you're doing.